Hi guys, my name is Nikki and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I bleached my hair. I just watched some YouTube videos and I already thought that I was already a pro. I'm so proud of myself because I didn't really shower for 3 to 4 days prior to the bleaching. So the entire time, my scalp wasn't burning. Can't be mad because I just forced him to do it and let him watch 2 or 3 clips and one Brad Mondo clip. That was just basically the instruction. I told Nico never to bleach the root first. Oh my god. Yaman mo na. Hirapan din ako kanina. You bring life to my vlog, you know. Okay guys, so 4 minutes left until I am going to rinse this. So I left it for an hour. It should be like 30 to 40 minutes but I'm leaving it for 1 hour. Siguro mga maximum 1 hour. Hindi siya masakit, mainit lang yung ulo ko. Okay, so time is up. I have to wash my hair guys. And I have to wash my hair in a room temperature water. I have to freaking go now. And I'm going to see you later. Darkness and in orange light and in white light. Apaka-orange niya bakla. Tapos hindi siya pantay kasi nga di naman expert si Nico. Kanina ko lang siya pinapanood nun kay Brad Mondo na video. And sabi ko sa kanya wag niya unahin yung root. Hindi pantay guys. Hindi siya pantay pero feeling ko mas better na to kaysa kung ako yung maglagay. It's so brassy. Yeah boy. Lakas maka ano girl. Maka gingerbread. Ay gingerbread. Ano? Look at my hair! Look at my hair! I was actually surprised my mom liked my hair because if she saw it in person, she is going to be in shock on how my hair looks like yellow, orange, brassy, dead. This is how my hair looks like. It looks so terrible right now because I have some patches. I mean, hindi talaga siya pantay, to be honest. But no hard feelings because like Nico did this to my hair. I just forced him to do this to my hair. So I'm not in any way mad about it. It's just that I am unhappy with the color because it's orange and it's not even. Oh my god. I am not in love with the color. It is so orange. And also, it feels dead on the tip of my hair. My hair was like really healthy a few days back. Once in your life, you gotta ruin your hair. It's because you only have one life and it's just hair. You can just easily chop it off. Orange, yellow, I don't know. It's not what I'm expecting it to be. Hindi ko na ito papaabutin nung bukas. So, para na ako si Chucky sa moment na ito. So nga tayo guys, no? Sa kulay ng ating buhok and kailangan natin siyang i-tone down. So, andito ako ngayon sa banyo para maghugas ng buhok. I really wanted to tell you guys that it was such a success. My hair was yellow orange, dark blonde, I don't know. It was just dark orange, brassy, almost dead, but still intact. And I didn't want to bleach it. I want to color it with anything else rather than purple. So yesterday we bought 2 purple dyes. This is the last time that I'm going to do something to my hair because my hair has been through a lot. So, hindi ko na muna siya gagalawin kung ano mang mangyari sa kanya. If it is going to be our success or hindi. We'll just let it be kung ano man. Pero tanggap ko naman na hindi siya magiging purple because my hair color na talaga, which is like dark brown to light blonde. Parang, ay, hindi. Dark blonde. Parang ano ba? Basta medyo dark yung pagka-blonde niya. Parang ganun. Puro na 40 volume, guys. Eto. Twice na. Wala pa rin. So, hayaan natin siya sa buhay niya kasi siguro ganun talaga siya or maybe kulang yung products. I don't know. But the reason why I didn't push through the third round of bleaching is because I am one impatient person. I really want to change my look in a snap. Less than a week, I want to have a new look. I think I can't do 3 rounds of bleaching in one sitting because I've seen people melting down their hair. Nothing really happened to my hair. I don't know how to explain it. I'm actually unhappy about the thought that it didn't turn purple because I know it won't turn purple. But I also didn't really regret it. My hair is still fine. Up until now, it's just a bit dry, but drier than before, but it's still fine. I don't know if I look good in the black hair. This is like the natural color of my hair. Like black, dark brown, black hair. This is going to be a revelation. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're not mad about my hair because I'm not really that mad about it. It's just that it could have been purple or pink or dark green. I don't know. It could have been something aside from being brassy and goldy and chalky-ish. I don't know. Yeah, it looks greenish, ashy in person. In my camera, it looks brassy orange. It doesn't look like that in person. Yeah, in my mirror, it doesn't look like that on my mirror. Why is it orange there? And in person, it's like greenish, toned down hair. So yun, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again in my next vlog. Bye!
Okay.